I found this Toby in one of my boxes and I repainted the roof. As you can see, it's missing a little piece here, it's chipped, and I repainted the face. Now it is missing the battery terminal and I'm going to replace it with this spring battery terminal. And let's begin. Also I found the motor. This motor is from another model. And you are not going to believe, but I'm going to use thin wire, the thin wire that I found on all laptops. Actually, it was all-in-one computer. This is a speaker wire. If you want to know what size drill bit I'm using, it's a 1/8 drill bit. Pretty much a 2" and 3/4 cable wire. You might use a short wire, that's up to you. It has been very hard to find these battery terminals, the original ones. I definitely could not find it anywhere, so that's why I'm installing spring-loaded battery terminals. They work very good. I want to add some cowcatchers to this Toby. I don't have any good ones, so this is the one I'm going to fix. It takes me more time record and edit this video than fixing the model. Well, that looks like it was an easy fix. Let's do a test. Here's my batteries. It works. I need to check the other day someone posted a comment that you should not use one of these batteries. They say you can use the batteries. Yes, we can use them. AA batteries can be used on these models. Anyways, and the thing is that that's a terrible advice. If someone says that you can't, don't trust him. Anyway, so I have these 3 sets of Toby's cowcatchers. If you want to buy them, remember the link is in the description. If you are out of United States, the link is on eBay. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble. I am not going to use glue at this time. So we have 2 different cowcatchers. This is the front and this is the back. The back has only 1 slot here, and we are going to use this front part and it fits right in here. So you might add some glue to keep it in place as long as you want, and we're going to use the other side the same, and this is press fit, but I recommend you to use glue. You can use either wood glue, but it's going to take a long time to dry, or my preferred method is I use super glue and I leave it in place right there. Well, this is the only way that I know that you can make your custom. Just be very careful, don't break the little tabs on this model, on this kind of skirt. Now, once you're done and it's the glue has dry, you might paint it. Let me show you. This is the first model I tried, so I forgot and I did not see that it has to look like this, you know, like a planks ending right here. When I did the design, so this was the first attempt, the first model, and then I made the second model. Now that we have the planks, I painted this in blue, and I think it's granite gray or something like that. Anyway, so I have this other one. It's painted dolphin and the black. Now the black, we have our letters LNER. These are vinyl, and before we proceed, I'm going to show you how this thing works. So let's say we have this one ready. You slide the coupling, narrate at the same time, look, and it's perfect. Now there is another option. You can glue it against the walls on this model, but I'd rather like to keep it like that just for demonstration purposes. Now once you're done, you just put this shell on top and it's right there, look, perfect. Yeah, same thing is for the other one. So we have the perfect size, the perfect measure. There is no way you can miss the alignment on everything on this model. Now remember, these are only 4 Trackmaster models dated 1999 to 2009, and I'm talking about Trackmaster, Hitoy Company, or Mattel. I haven't tested any of these on the Plarails. So there you can see it fits right there. Now there is an option. I read the other day a comment that say that it should be kind of straight down, but let me tell you why I cannot do it that way. I can do it myself, but the problem is you are not going to be able to make it. You need to trim down this front cowcatcher on this, and this is the design that the company made. So I made the alliance. I made the cowcatcher fit. See there? It's the same angle. I can't make it. Now, if I do that, it's going to look awkward like this, and it's not going to fit on Toby as it should. It's going to look like this. Look, it's going to look very ugly. And my main idea was to remove the sides and the front and make it fit right in there, but it was only for video purposes. But it will not be, you will not be able to make it work. So the idea is that you can make this custom, not only me. You can customize your model. Now I use acrylic paint on these cowcatchers. Same for this. Okay, now let's transfer the letters, and to do so I'm using some masking tape, and we are going to use in the bottom of the letters, align them right on the bottom, then squeeze them. I'm going to use this battery. You need to squeeze, and then you gotta fold the backing. Now it does have some strong glue adhesive on this, so you need to give a little help to the letters. It's been transferred. Now there is a little line here that it's the plank. We are going to align the letters here on the bottom of this plank and between these 2 posts, or whatever you call it. Once you're done, just squeeze a little bit. I'm using my fingernail. If it seems that the letters cannot stick, try to use some solid object. Squeeze it, and then you can peel it off very gentle. See, it's stick to the side plates on Toby, and that's how it looks. That's how it's done, actually. Very good. If for some reason you cannot transfer to this masking tape, I'm using, remember, you need to fold the backing paper, and I'm using my knife to help it remove and stay in the masking tape. Remember, we are going to align on this plank on the bottom line here, and between these posts on Toby, giving a good squeeze. And peel it off gentle like that. Excellent. Remember, the link is in the description if you want to get 3 of these sets of side plates and cowcatcher for Toby. The link is in the description. Remember, for US, I recommend you to get it on my site, customtrackmaster.com. If you live out of the United States, abroad, it's on eBay. Remember, we have 3 sets of side plates and cowcatchers and 2 vinyl nameplates. Toby's shed, next video.